Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed hand sheet 1 up to some lessons. Now, 14th question. So, we learn ascending order and descending order, how to make the order in ascending order and descending order, and ascending order of 2 by 3, comma 1 by 2, comma and 1 by 6. Now, in make the ascending order, first of all we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Now take 2 by 3, comma 1 by 2, comma 1 by 6. The LCM of 2, comma 3, comma 2, comma 6 is 3 table 1 time. Again, first of all take 2 table. 2 doesn't cancel in 3. 2 table cancel in 2. 1 time. Here 3 time. Again 3 table 1 time. That is 1 and 1. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. That means 2 3s are 6. Now what you got? LCM of the all the denominators 3, 2, 6 is 6. So the denominators of all the fractions should be equal to the LCM. So now LCM equal to 6. Now 2 by 3 equal to, if 3 equals to 6, LCM equal to 6. If 3 becomes 6, the 3 should be multiplied by 2 as well as numerator also. 2 2s are 4 by 6. Next fraction 1 by 2. 1 by 2. If 2 equals to 6, the denominator should be multiplied by 3 as well as numerator also. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, and 1 by 6. If 6 becomes to 6, the denominator should be multiplied by only 1, numerator also. 1 1s are 1, 6 1s are 6. Now, write the required obtained fractions. 4 by 6, comma 3 by 6, comma 1 by 6. Just observe all the fractions. The given fractions are converted into like fractions. Like fractions means which fractions has equal denominators of the like fractions. Okay, now ascending order means small to big. Okay, just compare the numerators. 1, 3, 4. That means 1 by 6 less than 3 by 6 less than 4 by 6. Now the corresponding fractions, the given fractions. 1 by 6 means 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means 1 by 6 means 1 by 6 less than 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. 4 by 6 means 2 by 2. Let's see once again. Ascending order of 2 by 3, comma 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. So we have to calculate the LCM of the denominator 2, comma 3, comma 6. The LCM of the given denominators is 6. Now make the denominators to equal the LCM. 2 by 3 equal to, if 3 becomes 6, the denominator should be multiplied by 2 as well as numerator also. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into. So 3, the total fraction numerator denominator should be multiplied by 3, 3 by 6. 1 by 6. So the total numerator and denominator multiplied by 1, 1 by 6. Now we got like fractions. Compare the numerators of the like fractions. 1 less than 3 less than 4. So 1 by 6 means 1 by 6. 3 by 6 means the corresponding, the respective fraction 1 by 2. 4 by 6 means 2 by 3. So this is the answer. Which option is the ascending order? 1 by 6, comma 1 by 2, comma 2 by 3. So first one is the correct option. Answer is option 1. Option 1. Now you can give 15th problem, descending order of 2 by 5, comma 1 by 3 and 3 by 7. Descending order means from greater value to smaller value, descending order. Descending order means big to small. You can do. And 16th problem, greatest among among 1 by 2, comma 3 by 2, comma 11 by 4, comma 5 by 2. So it is also 1 by 2, comma 3 by 2, comma 11 by 4, comma 5 by 2. So first of all, LCM of 2, comma 2, comma 4, comma 2. 2, comma 2, 4, comma 2. Take the LCM. 2 table, 1 time, 1 time, 2 times and 1 time. Again 2 table, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So LCM is 2 into 2 equal to 4. What is the LCM? 4. Now 1 by 2 means if 2 equals to 4, the denominator 2 equals to 4, the total numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. This is the first fraction. And second one, 3 by 2. If 2 becomes 4, the total numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 by 2 2s are 4. Again 11 by 4. If 4 becomes 4, the total numerator and denominator multiplied by 1. 11 ones are 11 and 4 ones are 4. And 5 by 2. 5 by 2. If 2 becomes 4, numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So all these fractions are converted into like fractions like 2 by 4, 6 by 4, 11 by 4 and 10 by 4. Now greatest means small, greatest means which fraction is greater among the fractions. So now descending, now write the descending order. Descending order means descending order, big to small. Okay, now compare the 2 by 4, comma 6 by 4, comma 11 by 4, comma 10 by 4. So all are equal denominators. Now like this. Now compare the numerators. 2, 6, 11, 10. So what is the greatest one? So now we are writing, when we are descending order, 11 by 4 greater than 10 by 4 greater than 6 by 4 greater than 2 by 4. So yes, this is descending order. Okay, descending order means this is the greatest among other than 3 fractions. So greatest one among the fractions thus equal to 11 by 4. 11 by 4. When you compare numerator, 11 greater than 10 greater than 6 greater than 11. So 11 by 4 is the greatest among the fractions. 11 by 4 is the greatest fraction. So which is the option? 11 by 4. The second option. Answer is option 2. Option 2, 11 by 4. Now Now, 17th one, equivalent fraction of 36 by 45 with numerator 12. With numerator 12. 17. Equivalent fraction of 36 by 45 with numerator 12. So after simplification of the fraction, 12 should be numerator. 12 should be numerator. Take the fraction. Given fraction that equal to 36 by, what is the condition? With numerator 6. So the given fraction should be simplified with numerator 12. 3 12s are 12 and 3 15s are 45. That means 12 by 15. Okay. And 17, equivalent fraction of 36 by 40 with the numerator 12. Which one is correct option? Fourth one is the correct option. 12 by 15. 12 by 15. Answer is option 4. Option 4. Equivalent fraction of 36 by 45 with the numerator 12. Which table we have to cancel? The 3 table 12 times in 40 by 15. 12 by 15 is the equivalent fraction of 36 by 45. And 18th one. 18th one. If 5 by 10 equal to m minus 2 by 30, then the value of m is then the value of m is, now simplify. 5 by 10 equal to m minus 2 by 30. Now simplify. 5 table 1 time, here 2 times. 1 by 2 equal to m minus 2 by 30. Identical equal to m minus 2 by 30 equal to 1 by 2. If A equal to B, you can say that B equal to A. If A equal to B, we can say that B equal to A. So 1 by 2 equal to m minus 2 by 30. You can write m minus 2 by 30 equal to 1 by 2. Do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 2 into m minus 2 equal to 30 into 1. 2m minus 2 2s are 4 equal to 30. Now, by the transposition, 2m equal to minus 4 becomes plus 4 by the transposition. 2m equal to 34. m equal to 34 by 2. m equal to 17. m equal to 17. So, if 5 by 10 equal to m minus 2 by 30, then the value of m is 5 by 10 equal to m minus 2 by 30. So cancel. 5 by 2 should be cancelled like 1 by 2. 5 table 1 time, here 2 table. 1 by 2 equal to m minus 2 by 30. So, identical equal to m minus 2 by 30 equal to 1 by 2. By the cross multiplication, 2 into m minus 2 equal to 30 into 1. 2 into m, 2m minus 2 2s are 4 equal to 30. 2m equal to 30 plus 4 by the transposition. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. 2m equal to 34. m equal to 34 by 2. That is m equal to 17. So, what is the m value? 17. Which option? Second option. Answer equal to option 2. Next, 19th problem. If m equal to 17, if m equal to 17, then the mixed fraction of 2 into m plus 3 by 90. Here m equal to 17. m equal to 17. Then the mixed fraction of, first of all, 2 into m plus 3 by 19. Substitute m value in that expression. 2 into, what is the m value? 17. What is given? Okay, 17 bracket plus 3 by. So we have to use Brodmann's rules, not 2 into 17 plus 3, not. So Brodmann's rule means BOD MAX bracket of divide, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So 2 into 17, 34 plus 3 by 9. 37 by 9. Okay. Nineteen twos are how much? 2 nines are 8. Two nines are 18 plus 1 38. So, but take only one time. Table. How many times? Take one time. 19. 17 minus 19. 17 minus 19. 8. 17 minus 9. 8. 8. So, 19 table take 2 times. 19 twos are 38. But here only 37 is there. So that's why take only one time. 19 ones are 19. So 17 minus 9. 8. 2 minus 1. 8. So this is the, now it should be like mixed fraction. 18 by 19. 18 by 19. So if m equal to 17, then the mixed fraction of 2 into m plus 3 by 19. So 2 into m plus 3 by 19. So m value 17. 2 17 plus 6. 2 7 is 34 plus 3. 37 by 19. So 37 by 19. If 19 twos are 38. So it's more than enough to 37. So take only one. 19 ones are 19. 37 by 9. 37 minus 19. 17 minus 9. 8. 2 minus 1. So 18. So what is the remainder? Remainder 18 is the remainder and 1 is 19 is the divisor. So 1 is the quotient. 18 by 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 plus 18, 37. We got 37. So 37 by 19 is written as 18 by 19. This is the mixed fraction. Right? No? Mixed fraction. Yes. And 28th problem, if m equal to 17 and m minus 10 by 21 is simplified, then the proper fraction is 28th problem. If m equal to 17 and m minus 10 by 21 is simplified, then the proper fraction is, then the proper fraction is, proper fraction is in which fraction is numerator is less than denominator, that is called proper fractions. Now take m minus 10 by 21 equal to, substitute 17 minus 10 by 21, that means 7 by 21. 7 by 21 is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. Again we have to cancel like this, 1 by 7 table, 1 time here, 3 times, that is called 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. So what is the problem? If m equal to 17 and m minus 10 by 21 is simplified, then the proper fraction is m minus 10 by 21. m means 17. 17 minus 10 by 21. 17 minus 10, 7 by 21. So again cancel, 7 table 1 time and 21 3 times. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. Option 1. Option 1. Okay. And new concepts of addition of fractions and addition and subtraction of the fraction. Addition and subtraction of the fractions. Put the heading: addition and subtraction of addition and subtraction of fractions. Now, so we can add like fractions and we can add unlike fractions and we can add mixed fractions and we can subtract like fractions and we can subtract improper fractions and proper fractions and also mixed fractions. For example, five by 7 plus 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So 5 by 7 and 1 by 7 both are like fractions. We can easily add the like fractions. Sum of numerators by common denominator sum of numerators. Sum of numerators. What are the numerators here? 5 and 1. 5 plus 1. What is the common denominator? Denominator 7. Here also 7. What is the common denominator? 7. That means 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 7. 6 by 7. And another example. By 11 and 5 by 11 both are like fractions. What is the property when you are adding like fraction? When you are adding like fraction, sum of numerators by common denominator. Sum of numerators 3 plus 8 by common denominator. That means 3 plus 11. 3 plus 8, 11 by 11. It is 1. 3 plus 8, 11 by 11, it is 1. So, finally we got, by adding the two like fraction, finally we got 1. So, we can do the subtraction. Difference of numerators by common denominator. Difference of numerators. Difference of numerator and common denominator. This is the addition. For example, 8 by 13 minus 3 by 13. Both are like fractions. So, when you want to subtract the both fractions, equal to difference of numerators by common denominator. That means 8 minus 3 by 13 equal to 5 by 13. 8 minus 3, 5 by 13. An example. Another example. Difference of numerator 8 minus 3. So when it is doing only like fractions, only for the like fractions. So 17 by 3 minus 1 by 3. These both are like fractions. Now, difference of numerator 17 minus 1 by common denominator 3. That means 16 by 3. 16 by 3. So, this is only for the like fraction difference of numerators or sum of numerators by common denominator. Now type 2. For example, there are how to add and subtract the unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. For example, 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. There is the unlike fractions should be converted into like fractions. By the convert the unlike fractions to the like fractions. For example, so we know that LCM of the denominators denominator 2 comma 4 equal to 2 comma 4 by 2 table 1 time, here 2 times. 2 ones are 2 into 1 into 2, it is 4. So LCM is 4. Now 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Now if 2 becomes 4, 2 should be multiplied by 2 as well as 5 also. Numerator 2, 5 also. If 4 becomes 4, we should multiply by 1 numerator also. Now 5 2s are 10 by 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 4 1s are 4. And now the unlike fractions are converted into like fractions by the finding LCM of the denominators of the given fraction, that means unlike fractions. So first we have to find the LCM of the denominators of the unlike fractions, and then the denominator should be equal to the numerator. Then they are converted into the unlike fractions are converted into like fractions. Now we know that sum of the numerators by common denominator. Sum of numerators by common denominator. That means 13 plus 3 by 4. So 10 plus 3 by 4. That means 13 by 4. You got what is the answer? 13 by 4. Okay, you can do it simple method also. Simple method, you can learn simple method how to find the when two fractions are given, when two unlike fractions are given, how to adding or subtraction in simple method. For example, shown simple SM simple method. Write the 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Simple method. Just see once. By the cross multiplication. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. 5 into 4 bracket plus 5 into 4 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3 bracket by 2 4s are. Understand? Simple method. So find out what fraction we got after adding 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. We got 13 by 4. 13 by 4 is the answer of both fractions. Okay. 5 4s are 5 into 4 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into by 2 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 3s are 6 by 2 4s are 8. 26 by 8. 2 table 13 times, here 4 times. We got 13 by 4. What we got previously? 13 by 1. In simple method also we got 13 by 4. So this is only for the fractions. The unlike fractions should be converted into like fractions. Then we have to apply the rule sum of the numerator by common denominator. This is the way of by making the LCM of denominator, by taking LCM of denominator. This is simple method. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4 equal to 5 into 4 plus 2 into 3 and 2 into 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 3s are 6. 26 by 8. That means 2 table 13 and 14. 13 by 4. Another step. For example, subtract 7 by 4 minus 3 by 5. Now, LCM of the denominators, it is 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5 are two distinct numbers. We can take the LCM, the multiplication of both numbers. 4 into 5 equal to 20. 20 is the LCM. So do like that. 4 table 1 time in 5. 5 table 1 and 1. 5 4s are 20. So 20 is the LCM. Now 7 by 4. If 4, the denominator 4 if equals to 20, 4 should be multiplied by 5 as well as numerator minus 3 by 5. If 5 equals to 20, 5, the total fraction is multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. So, So 7 5s are 35 by 20 minus 3 4s are 12 by 20. Okay? What is the rule? Difference of numerators by common denominator. Difference of numerator 35 by 12 by 20. That means 35 minus 12. 35 minus 12. 3 and 2. 23. 23 by 20. 23 by 20. What value got? Subtraction 23 by 20. Okay. Shortcut method. 7 by 4 minus 3 by 5. Shortcut method. You know that? 7 into 5. 35 minus 4 into 3. 12 by, again I am writing clearly, 7 into 5 minus 4 into 3 by 4 into 5. Okay, 7 into 5 minus 4 into 3 by 4 into 5. 7 5 is 35 minus 4 3 is 12 by 20. That means 35 minus 12, 23 by 20. So we got. This is the SM, simple shortcut. Simple method. So we can follow this method better than this. Subtract 7 by 4 minus 3 by 5. This is the, by taking LCM of the denominators method, this is shortcut. So finally we got 23 by 20, 23 by 20. Finally, subtract 7 by 9 from 11 by 9. Subtract 7 by 9 from 11 by 9. So we have to write like 11 by 9 minus 7 by 9. First we have to write from 7 by 9 should be subtracted from 11 by 9. So we have to write 11 by 9 first minus 7 by 9. That means common denominator 9, 11 minus 7, that means 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Okay students, this is the class of today. Some more sums and some concepts followed by tomorrow.